All right, following up with my Drone CPA, a citrus pale ale that I'm calling Dronie. But anyway, I'm kegging up today. Get it down to that kegerator. Get this baby carbonated up. Be nice if it happened before the weekend, but I don't think it's going to be happening since this was today's Wednesday. So got to take my gravity reading here. Fingers in the way, right? Like my little color to it, the orangey color, citrusy color, right? So I'll get my gravity reading here in a minute. So I love this day. It's as good as brew day and almost as good as tapping day, right? When I go to finally taste this baby. So it finished out at 1.010. Oh, there's other fermentation going on in the house. There's some sourdough. I got a lot of fermentation going on in my house. I do kombucha. My wife does the sourdough. I do the beer. And I also do some kefir, for anybody who knows what that is. Anyway, that's not beer related, right? So 1.010 started out at 1050. So I have about a 5.25 APB on this one, which is fine. Good. Nice, light tasting, like the hoppy flavor, typical IPAs or citrus pale ale will give you. So I'm looking forward to this one getting all carbonated up. I'll bring back have to do a review on how that went for me. And now I have to re-rack my last brew that I did a couple weeks ago. This was done a little more than 4 weeks ago, my brew day on this one. So I got another brew I did 2 weeks ago, and I got to get that in the secondary. So anyway, be follow-ups on this. Cheers.